Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the latest information and insights on all things health and wellness. Today, we're discussing a topic that affects millions of people worldwide: chronic kidney disease and polycystic kidney disease. These two conditions have a profound impact on kidney function and overall health. So, stay tuned to learn more about the causes, symptoms, and treatments for these debilitating diseases. Chronic kidney disease, CKD, and polycystic kidney disease, PKD, are two distinct conditions that affect the kidneys and their functions. CKD is a gradual loss of kidney function over time, while PKD is a genetic disorder characterized by the growth of numerous cysts in the kidneys. The causes of CKD are diverse and can include various health conditions, such as high blood pressure, diabetes, and glomerulonephritis, a type of kidney disease caused by damage to the tiny filters in the kidneys. Additionally, certain lifestyle factors, such as smoking, heavy alcohol consumption, and a diet high in salt can contribute to the development of CKD. On the other hand, PKD is caused by genetic mutations that affect the formation and growth of kidney cysts. There are two types of PKD: autosomal dominant PKD and autosomal recessive PKD. Autosomal dominant PKD is the most common type and is caused by a mutation in either the PKD1 or PKD2 gene. Autosomal recessive PKD is a less common type and is caused by mutations in both copies of the PKD1 gene. Risk factors for the development of CKD include age, obesity, and a family history of kidney disease. In addition, individuals with diabetes and high blood pressure are at an increased risk of developing CKD. Diagnosis of CKD is based on a series of tests, including blood and urine tests, as well as imaging studies such as ultrasound and CT scans. Treatment of CKD typically involves lifestyle changes, such as maintaining a healthy diet and regular exercise, and taking medications to control underlying conditions, such as high blood pressure and diabetes. In advanced cases, treatment may involve dialysis or a kidney transplant. PKD is usually diagnosed through ultrasound, CT scans, or MRI. Treatment for PKD is focused on managing the symptoms of the condition, such as pain and high blood pressure. In severe cases, surgical removal of the cysts or a kidney transplant may be necessary. In conclusion, CKD and PKD are two distinct conditions affecting the kidneys. The causes of CKD are diverse and can include health conditions and lifestyle factors, while PKD is a genetic disorder caused by mutations in specific genes. Early diagnosis and treatment are key to managing both conditions and preserving kidney function. That's all for today's episode. We hope you found this information on chronic kidney disease and polycystic kidney disease to be both informative and engaging. Remember, early diagnosis and treatment are crucial in managing these conditions and preserving kidney function. If you have any questions or would like to share your experiences, leave a comment below. And as always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health and wellness content.